All right, so I want to do a quick video about probably one of the more challenging topics in Math 1050. This is solving a distance, rate, time problem using a linear equation. So in this problem, we are dealing with trains. So we have two trains that are leaving the same station at the same time. One is heading east, the other train is going west. The eastbound train travels at 60 miles per hour, and the westbound train is going 80 miles per hour. We want to know how long it will take till the trains are 392 miles apart. All right, to solve this problem, we're going to use our formula distance equals rate times time. So distance equals rate times time. We're going to make a table. It's best to do this when you make a table in it. So we're going to start with putting our trains in the first column, the rate in the second column, the time in the third column, and then distance in the fourth. So our two trains, we have our eastbound train and our train that's going west. And we know that the one that's going east is going 60 miles per hour. The one that's going west is going 80 miles per hour. Now, the time, we don't know that. That's what we're trying to find. So go ahead and put an X for each time. Now, to get the distance, we don't use that 392 yet. So to get the distance, to always get this distance column, what you're actually doing is you're taking your rate, you're multiplying it by your time, and that equals what your distance is. So in our case, it's going to be 60 times x, or 60x, and 80 times x, or 80x. So now, we know that both the trains are leaving the station at the same time. The eastbound train is going 60x, that's its distance, right? The westbound train is going 80x, that's the westbound train's distance. If we add those two together, that's the total amount the two go, right? The eastbound goes 60x, the westbound goes 80x. So together that's 140x, right? So set that equal to the total distance of 392. Now we have a linear equation. We know how to solve this. 60x plus 80x, 140x, equals 392. Divide both sides by 140. So x is 2.8 hours. So the two trains are going to be 392 miles apart after 2.8 hours.